In this video, you will learn how to use filters on Snapchat. So hey, I am Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guided. If you want to use filters on your Snapchat application in your Snapchat account, you have to follow this video. But before starting the video, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open Snapchat application. Now my Snapchat application is loaded. Now you can see that on the bottom side in the middle you can see that a big white circle is present, which is used to capture the snap. But with that icon you can see that on the right side a small smiley icon is present. So if you want to load filters, you have to click on this smiley icon, and now your all of the filters are loaded. So these are the filters, so you can use any one of them, and you can use any of the filter according to your desire or according to your choice. So you can also add more filters to your library or your saved items by clicking on the explore, which is on the bottom right side of the page. And now you can see there are thousands and thousands of filters which you can use for your Snapchat stories. So this is a simple process of using Snapchat filters for your Snapchat stories. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can never miss any update in the future. And if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.